Good day guys, as you all know me as a mentor, Nasdaq Ninja. So guys, before I can continue, can you please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload. So guys, today I'm shooting a vlog guys. Nasdaq, it's about to get a Golf 7/8 GTI, you understand? So that is what I'm going to show you guys. What did I say?
Golf 7/8.
Oh, Golf 8 GTI. But I won't remove that guys. I won't cut and paste, you know, it's whatever it is. But it's Golf 8 GTI. Yeah. So yeah, this is how it is guys. We are with Shelda here.
Yeah.
Forex Alpha.
You know the vibes.
And we are sitting with the big machines here.
Waiting for the next big machine.
Yeah, waiting for the next big machine guys. So yeah guys, as much as you can see guys, yeah, we're about to get it. You know, this year guys, you saw how many cars came, you know, and we'll be taking them from the dealership, not from the garage of a person or my garage or someone's garage, understand? We're taking it from the dealership straight, you know. Trading guys, making money makes sense, understand? So yeah, let's vlog guys, let's vlog. Shout out. Yebo. Meron boat. That's it. Nasdaq. How you feeling, my bro? How you feeling? How is your day, man?
Wow, my day is about to get better.
Yeah.
Better.
You getting the new whip?
How are you?
Hey, hello. As we all introduced ourselves already, so we are here with Malaji Traders. Yeah, the boss. Hey, Bunas in the building. You know it. Hey, Kataho, CS. The twin.
What was the 5,000?
Ayo my gents. Kulia kama kuna gale rugilemo video blu. Lo swipe Golf 8 now. We throw the roll ma one. La tsara kana mfano lo ka 5 minutes 700,000. Price swipe on no. Brag.
Or swipe 8.
8. Last number.
Bon 8. No so. Ara swipe say. Ai buda.
Bom, Nardo Leona, 8.
Number 8.
Araligi menor. Lanan. Number 8 mfana, number 8.
Koma kwala. Anam.
Siles.
Anam. Malaji marwan chawa malaji.
Wo chawa malaji.
Arabologia. Dar jari Ferrari. Jari Ferrari juga.
What's good given?
Out.
Next week. Next week we'll stop home. Next week we'll stop home. Yes, ma'am.
La Rudirala.
Oh, easy job. Rubile Leona pay. We told you.
Jesus.
Boy, Rubile.
Swipe.
Rubile son.
Swipe that.
No swipe, bro. Why?
Mpele.
No
Yeah,
swipe.
here value no ya swipe one.
Irrefenyana man.
No so.
No ya swipe one.
Sport mode. Free run sport. Oh, mode. Yeah.
long. So cyber to follow me.
Also, you should look.
I'm to do on. Yeah.
Sir, what do you feel? What do you feel?
It's about hard work pays.
Yeah, making
Hard
money
work.
makes sense.
Making money makes sense, but hard work pays.
How do you feel, my guy?
As you can see, guys, we did it again. We made it. What's good?
More live.
Cash content. Making money makes sense.
Profits in real life.
We are now.
Away.
I'll blow the account for another blood of smoke. What the smoke, chief? No backup of it. Almost.
Number 8.
There's a 3 now.